Hey everyone! Rocket, welcome back to our channel. The last-minute surprises are finally here as we are just 5 days away from the official Galaxy S25 Unpacked event. Things are getting spicy and Samsung's biggest mystery has just been solved. Let's dive in. Big mystery revealed. Before we begin, whether you're planning to buy the Galaxy S25 series or not, make sure to click the link in the description and get an instant $50 Samsung credit with a chance of winning $5,000. Don't miss out. Alright, so what's the big mystery? Well, we finally know how slim the Galaxy S25 Slim is. Not only that, but we also have our first real look at Samsung's one-of-a-kind slim flagship phone. Samsung has truly outdone itself. The Galaxy S25 Slim is just 6.4mm thin, which is incredibly slim. For comparison, the S25 Ultra is 8.2mm thick, so the S25 Slim is remarkably impressive. Design and release date. As for the design, it looks very similar to the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. However, don't get confused because the camera setup is similar to the S25 Ultra minus the long periscope zoom. The S25 Slim is set to release in May 2025, which is later than the standard Galaxy S25 series models. Camera specs and features. More official images of the Galaxy S25 series have been leaked, confirming the camera specs. The S25 Ultra will feature a new 50MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. Samsung will also be showcasing One UI 7.0 features, especially the navbar feature, which is a personal favorite of mine. It's going to be fully unleashed on the Galaxy S25 series. Software and AI features. Speaking of software, the S25 series is getting more Galaxy AI features. This includes YouTube Notes, where you can summarize any YouTube video and add it to your Samsung Note app. There will also be built-in music search, homework AI to help students solve equations, and the sketch-to-image feature getting a major update with generative AI. Bixby S Pen Updates. Samsung dropped another Galaxy AI teaser showing a massive update for Bixby. For example, Bixby will soon handle complex requests like finding an Italian restaurant with outdoor seating and adding it to your calendar. This level of integration will make Bixby a powerful assistant. Lastly, there's a chance Samsung has downgraded the S Pen by removing the Bluetooth feature, which means no more air gestures or remote camera clicking. This might be due to the new G2 wireless charging standard or simply cost-cutting measures. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these updates in the comments below. The Galaxy S25 series is on track, and we're just 6 days away from the official announcement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. See you in the next video. Peace out.